If you're planning on playing the latest and upcoming AAA games, you'll want to have one of the best gaming PCs, packed with the most cutting-edge internals as possible. We'll be taking a look at gaming PCs in every price range, so whether you're looking for a great value PC or the ultimate gamer's dream machine, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which gaming PC will be best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. The first product we're looking at today is the Alienware Aurora R9 as a great overall gaming PC. At under $1,700, the Alienware Aurora R9 is not only sleek and beautifully designed, but it also packs the power you would need to handle AAA games, making it a great overall gaming PC. When it comes to design, the Alienware Aurora R9 opts for a more subtle approach and stands out from the crowd. If you like simple elegance, then you'll love the R9. There's a single hoop of light at the front, and the lit-up logos are the only flourishes on display. Its elegantly matte case is reminiscent of old-school Macs, and its scooped-out front not only allows for better airflow, but at the same time creates an eye-catching statement piece. The Aurora R9 is powered by an Intel Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 graphics card, and doesn't break a sweat when handling processor-heavy titles. Even at ultra settings on Division 2 with multiple foes on screen at once, the R9 manages to hit between 50 and 60 frames per second on average. In terms of everyday computing, the Aurora R9 handles like a dream. You can run weighty game downloads, and it will still perform admirably while handling other tasks at the same time. Storage will not be a problem here. You get a 1TB HDD with an additional 512GB SSD, which means you can increase access speed by installing or saving the titles and programs that you actively use on the SSD. You can also perform upgrades or connect peripherals to the Alienware Aurora R9 with ease, thanks to the rig's enhanced accessibility. With its distinctive case, crammed with features and clever practical design flourishes like the scooped-out vents at the front, the Alienware Aurora is a premium device that works hard to earn its price tag. If you're looking for a great overall gaming PC that delivers solid, powerful performance with standout aesthetics, then the Alienware Aurora R9 is a top contender. Next, we'll be looking at the HP OMEN Obelisk, our choice for the best gaming PC under $2,000. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line gaming rig that is easy to upgrade and offers seamless, lag-free performance at the AAA gaming level, then the HP OMEN Obelisk is one of the best gaming machines you can get for under $2,000. HP's OMEN Obelisk is a compact gaming desktop that is narrow and not very deep, with a relatively small footprint if you want to fit it on your desk or have limited room on the floor for a tower. A full-length tempered glass window makes up the left panel, through which you can see the LED illumination inside. Overall, the design keeps it simple, but with just enough pizzazz to avoid being boring. The OMEN has a powerful ultra-fast Intel Core i9 processor, which allows it to handle processor-demanding titles such as Fortnite, Overwatch, and PUBG. It's more than ready to play games in 1440p at high refresh rates, and can even achieve 60 frames per second in 4K gaming. With the OMEN, you can say goodbye to game loading thanks to its 1TB SSD storage and 32GB of RAM. With the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti graphics card on board, the OMEN delivers hyper-realistic graphics and allows you to experience new levels of gaming realism, speed, and immersion with real-time ray tracing technologies. You can also scale up your gaming and make it more immersive by adding a second or third screen thanks to the OMEN's triple display support. Another feature to highlight is the OMEN Xtreme, which comes in handy when streaming gameplay to a large screen. You can also use the HP OMEN Command Center to customize RGB lighting and to prioritize gaming network traffic. Virtual reality gaming is the next gaming frontier, and the OMEN comes VR ready and supports VR components such as a VR headset, making this rig future-proof. If you can afford it, the HP OMEN Obelisk is one of the best gaming PCs on the market in its class. Besides being easy to upgrade, the OMEN Obelisk also delivers exceptional seamless lag-free performance, is future-proof, and also power efficient. Now we'll take a look at the Dell G5 Gaming Desktop, our choice for best value for dollar gaming PC. If you are working with a more realistic budget, and looking for a gaming PC that is a bit more affordable, then at under $1,200, the Dell G5 gaming desktop delivers one of the best bang for your buck and is worth considering if you're searching for value. Similar to the HP OMEN Obelisk, the Dell G5 gaming desktop also sports a compact micro ATX body and is small enough to fit on top of your desk. The front panel features a modern zigzagging geometric pattern that is underscored with a diagonal blue LED, which may not be to everyone's liking. It also has a side glass panel on one side, but it's not full length and it has a black frame around it. With an Intel Core i7 processor, the Dell G5 gaming desktop is able to run AA and AAA game titles without experiencing dips in performance. On board, you'll find an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card, which is not as powerful as the RTX 2070 present in the Alienware R9 or the RTX 2080 of the HP OMEN. But considering the G5 comes at a huge cost savings, it is more than adequate to handle most demanding titles seamlessly, and it is also VR ready. The Dell G5 comes with 512GB SSD and 16GB of memory, which is more than adequate for most games. But for some heavier titles that require more than 12GB of RAM, then playing them on the G5 at maximum settings might result in sluggish gameplay. When this happens, you can either lower the game settings or upgrade your RAM, which is also super easy to do with the G5's case design. By loosening the two thumb screws on the back of the system, you can easily remove the side panel without any tools to access the internals of the system. The Dell G5 gaming desktop is one of the best gaming PCs if you want a solid entry-level machine that's very easy to upgrade and is perfect for gamers who are looking for value. The G5 will not only stretch your dollar, but delivers superior gaming performance for its affordable price point. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drop. So if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eyes in the comments below. Now we'll be looking at the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme, our choice for best budget gaming PC. You may not necessarily need the most powerful gaming PC that money can buy. Whether you are new to the gaming scene or on a tight budget, at under $750, the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR may be all that you need. The Gamer Xtreme VR features an Intel Core i5 processor with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card. It is adequate and performs remarkably well to handle many popular game titles such as GTA 5, Apex Legends, Minecraft, and Fortnite, and even has the juice to handle virtual reality games, including popular titles such as Battlefield 3, without much of a sweat. However, for games like PUBG and Red Dead Redemption 2, you will experience some lag. But with that said, when you factor in its low price, the Gamer Xtreme VR performs admirably with all things considered. Like the Aurora R9, the CYBERPOWERPC comes with a 2 storage option combination, a 240GB SSD and a 1TB HDD. You can save your games and other multimedia files on the CYBERPOWERPC's 1TB HDD, then use the 240GB SSD storage to install or save the games that you will be playing regularly. You can upgrade the CYBERPOWERPC as your gaming needs change, and upgrading its RAM from 8GB to 16GB would be a perfect place to start, as this will allow you to run heavier game titles. Like the Dell G5 gaming desktop, the Gamer Xtreme VR is very easy to open up, making it a great starting point PC that you can eventually upgrade to more powerful parts. If you are on a tight budget, the CYBERPC is well worth its price. It is one of the best gaming PCs if you want to spend under $750 without sacrificing much in the way of power. The final PC we're looking at today is the Corsair One i164, our choice for best high-performance gaming PC. If you're looking for a high-performance gaming PC and money isn't an issue, then priced under $3,500, the Corsair One i164 is an ultimate gaming PC that would satisfy any hardcore gamer. At just 15 inches tall and at an impressive 7.87 inches by 6.79 inches wide, the Corsair One i164 is hands down one of the smallest footprint builds you'll find. With Intel's 8-core i9-9900K processor inside and NVIDIA's top-end GeForce RTX 2080 Ti on board, This beast of a compact rig can handle any demanding game title seamlessly, no matter what you throw its way. The powerful graphics card and the Core i9 processor combination means you get vibrant images at incredible refresh rates for an amazing immersive gaming experience. In addition, the Corsair One i164's hardware components also improves the rig's overall performance. Most gaming PCs become loud as they heat up, but not the Corsair One. It has a patented liquid cooling system, where the CPU is cooled with a single-sized radiator, while the massive NVIDIA Turing GPU is cooled by a radiator twice the size. This enables it to achieve higher clock speeds at lower operating temperatures, which means you get to enjoy much quieter gameplay without having to worry about overheating. In addition to supporting up to 3 4K displays, the Corsair One i164 also comes with VR support. The only critique is its lack of air filters that can lead to the inevitable slow buildup of dust, and you'll need to open up the system for cleaning occasionally. The Corsair One i160 hones the compact gaming PC concept to near perfection, cramming an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti GPU into a stunningly sleek chassis. It's custom designed to be as efficient as possible, holding nothing back on performance, and perfect if you're looking for one of the best high-performance machines money can buy. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.